Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. I am very excited that we're going to start our Meograph projects. The first thing you'll need to do is go into the website, www.meograph.com. Once you're there, go to the top right corner and click Login. You're going to log in with the username and password we've discussed and click Let's Meograph. Once it logs you in, the first thing you want to do is make a new meograph because you haven't titled one yet. None of them that you'll see up here are yours yet. So let's click Create a Meograph. Up top, you'll see the title box. Since we're all using the same account, I want you to start with your first name, colon, and then you're going to put an engaging title. So if I'm doing Ponce de Leon, I might call it Adventures of Ponce de Leon. Oh, okay. And actually, maybe I'll put his first name in there too, since we know that. Adventures of Juan Ponce de Leon. Okay, so now I have a title. Over in this section, you'll see it says Add a Moment. Meograph is a collection of moments, so let's go ahead and add a moment. And the first one you'll see here says Introduction. You can click on it to make sure I'm in there. Okay, and you'll see there's a big M here, but this is where your first picture is going to go. So let's go ahead and click this Edit button, Change Cover Photo. When you do that, you're going to have to navigate to your images. So I want my Juan Ponce de Leon images. I'm going to check out which one I think is most interesting for a title cover. Sometimes you can't see the images. Maybe they're listed like this. Just go to the top right corner in this down arrow, click More Options. And I like to click Large or even Extra Large. You'll see more images, or the images will enlarge so you can see them. Let's see a good title image. I kind of like this one. It's got a title on it already, Juan Ponce de Leon. Open. Let's see how that looks. If I don't like how it looks, I can change it. All right. Now I'm noticing it kind of cut off the title, so I could change it. But you know what? I kind of like how that looks. So what I can do, let's see, Introduction, is keep on going. So if I'm okay with that, I've got my title, I've got my first picture. I can go down to Empty Moment, click the next moment. You'll see the picture disappears because this is a new slide. Let's choose Photo. And I'm going to, based on my storyboard, I'm going to choose my photo. So I'm going to go back, choose File. And let's say the first one I want is this picture of Spain, since he was born in Spain. And I want to tell my story in chronological order from the beginning to the end. Let's see, that looks pretty good. Now, you'll notice I can also click this More button here. And I can add some text. So I might say, Ponce de Leon, I'm being careful with my capitalization, was born in Spain. Or maybe I want to say Ponce de Leon was a Spanish explorer. I capitalize Spanish because that's the name of a country. It's a proper noun. It's the name of a group of people. Spanish explorer. Now let's just see. If I do some goofy spelling mistake, you see there's a spelling mistake? It's in red. If that happens, you are going to, first you can just try to fix it yourself. But if you can't figure it out, let's say I spelled explore a little bit wrong. I'm going to put my cursor in the center and then right click. Normally I left click. You want to use the other mouse button and it will probably give you some suggestions. Like this top one. Oh, that's what I was trying to do. Explore. Click on that, and it fixes it for you. Amazing. All right, so now where? That's the next one. Where? Well, Spain, right? See if I can click Spain. Do you see how it automatically jumps to the capital of Spain and it puts in an actual map? This is the coolest thing. I just love it. Okay, and then when. I'll have to look back at my notes. Let me see if I have it in here. I'll go back to my notes. These are my notes. He was born in 1460. So I'm going to type in the when is 1460. Okay. And let me just click on the below here. Okay, it put it in there. And down here, let me go down. Do you see it just started a timeline right here? You're going to build a timeline. So let's go to the next moment, add a moment. Anytime you want to have a new slide, add a moment. Okay, and I'm back on a blank page. Let me go in. I'm like, oh, there's no picture option. Well, I need to go to media, photo. Okay, you see right here, photo. I'm going to choose file, navigate to my collection of pictures. I kind of like this. Oh, I like this one. It shows where he traveled. That's the next one I have on my storyboard, so I'm going to go with that one. Open. All right. I can give some text. I'm going to skip that for the moment so I can get through here. He traveled this in 1513, so so that would be my when. My when is 1513. Then my where, well, let's see. We've got the Bahamas, St. Augustine, Puerto Rico. The most important of those, I would say, is St. Augustine. But you can choose based on your person, which is the most important spot, if it's a large collection like this. Augustine. I'm going to put comma, FL for Florida. Let me click down here in the white space, let it populate. And here you go. There's your Florida. Here is my picture, and here it is on a real map. Amazing. Okay. Next, once you have all of your moments done, the very last slide is your conclusion page. When you click that, same thing. You can just wrap it up. You can change your cover photo if you want. But most importantly, you're going to go back and do your narration now. Narration is sound, right? So right now I'm narrating this video. I'm providing it sound. I actually like to start back at the beginning and work my way down. So I'm going to click on Introduction. Okay. And I can click Narration, and it should save my voice. So I'm going to use my storyboard and read what I've written and practiced. I'm going to read with expression so it's interesting to my viewers. Okay, so let's say I'm reading mine, okay? Here's my introduction. So I'm only going to read it from my introduction piece of my storyboard. Okay, let's see. I have to click this red dot to turn on the narration. It might give me some information here. Click Allow. Select the Allow option and check the Remember box. Then Close. So click Allow, Remember, Close. Okay, here's Allow, Remember, Close. Okay. When prompted, there we go. Click Allow to, it's giving me some more options. I have to read to figure it out. Click Allow to enable microphone access. Oh, and up here I see Allow. Okay. Juan Ponce de Leon was a Spanish explorer. He was trying to discover and find the fountain of youth. Okay, let's say that was my piece. Let's listen to it. If I come over here, I clicked the red button to stop it, also to start it. So start it and stop with the red circle. Then let's play it and see if I like that. Juan Ponce de Leon was a Spanish explorer. He was trying to discover and find the fountain of youth. Okay, and I clicked that red button, turn it off. I think that sounds great. If I don't like it, I can click the trash can. That will get rid of it, and I can try it again. Then I'll go to my next moment. Oops, my next moment. And I can add narration here. Okay, I'm going to hit the red button. 3, 2, 1.